Hey, right now I'm on top of this car and this is the rooftop home on the move.
With a view on three sides facing anywhere I wanna go. This is the LonaCamp workshop where Nima, my husband, designs and builds these full aluminium rooftop tents. This year, they became best sellers in our area. But let me tell you how it all started. Nima spent about 3 years designing this tent. He failed many times, got frustrated, but I always told him, I believe in you, just go and finish it. His main goal was to create a compact and lightweight tent because most options out there were super expensive, bulky, or way too heavy. And finally, he built this one with just $1,000 total cost.
He tested it again and again. Every step was trial and error, but each mistake taught us something new.
One of the hardest parts?
Making it waterproof. The first tent was for us and we took it to the desert. Just a week later, we posted one photo on Instagram and made our first sale. And now we have a team. Here at LonaCamp, we have different sections. Sewing, where fabrics are cut and stitched. Frame assembly and installation, mounting the tents on different kinds of vehicles. This rooftop tent is built for all seasons, attaches to SUVs and some crossovers. We offer a 5-year warranty as a standard. You can absolutely keep it on your vehicle all year round. Lots of people do, and this is what it's designed for. However, if you do want to take it off, that's cool too. After a long day of driving, the last thing you want is a complicated setup. But this rooftop tent is the fastest and easiest one to open and close. It's not just rooftop tents, we also have awnings, heaters, and other accessories to make off-road travel worry-free without messing with your car's balance. And to make sure you've always got a warm, safe home right in the heart of nature. If you're into travel, camping, or building things, and you'd like to join the LonaCamp family, don't forget to subscribe and be part of our journey. We're just getting started and we've got so much more to share.